Ever wondered how giant rolls turn into perfect mini rolls? Let me tell you a story about the life of a slitting machine. Step 1. The feeding stage. It all starts with the master roll at the unwind stand. This is the initial feeding stage. The machine carefully pulls the material or web off the giant roll. Our only focus here is the start of tension control. Step 2. The web guiding stage. This critical step ensures the material is perfectly flat and stable before it hits the cutting blades. Step 3. The slitting stage. This is the core process, slitting. High-precision blades instantaneously cut the wide web into multiple narrow strips. Perfect tension and clean cuts are essentially here to ensure every final roll meets exact customer specifications. Step 4. The lead-out stage. Straight out of the cut, the strips hit the separation rollers. Belts guide each individual stream, ensuring perfect path and tension control for the final finished product. Finally, the rewinding stage. Finally, the strips reach the rewind station. Here, precise, independent tension control ensures every individual strip is wound onto its own core. Job done! The journey complete, one master roll, perfectly split into many. That's the powerful, precise life of the slitting machine. Like and subscribe for more industrial deep dives.